Right now, the entire crypto market is asking the same question. Is this just another temporary correction, or is this beginning of something much larger? Over the past few weeks, the price moved fast, emotions are rising, and opinions are becoming extreme. Some people say this is a perfect buy opportunity, others are convinced that the cycle is already over, but the truth is far less dramatic and far more important, because moments like these are where long-term winners are separated from the emotional traders. Today we are going to break down what the market is actually trying to tell us, without hype, without fear, and without predictions. Just structure, liquidity, and probability. To understand where we are now, we first have to zoom out. Over the past year, Bitcoin have moved through one of the strongest expansions in history, liquidity surged, institutional participation increased, volatility compressed then expanded again. And now, after months of upside, the market is finally breathing. This pullback feels volatile to many people, but in reality, it is structurally normal behavior for a high volatility asset. Every trading market moves like this: expansion, consolidation, repricing. What makes this moment dangerous is not the price move itself, it's the storytellings around it. When price rises, people chase. When price falls, people panic. But professionals never trade stories, they trade context. So let's address the real question here. Is this simply a correction inside a border trend, or is this first signal of a larger structural transition? The answer is not founded in headlines, it is found in market structures. In a healthy trend, market forms with higher highs and lower highs. As long as the structure remains intact, the primary trend remains intact. A correction only becomes dangerous when the key level supports fail, liquidity disappears, and rebounds are rejected decisively. That is how downtrend is born. Right now, what the market is doing is testing beliefs, weak hands are being removed, leverages is being reset, and liquidity is being redistributed. This process feels chaotic, but structurally, it is exactly how sustainable markets survive. The market is not trying to scare us, the market is just clearing the risk. Now let's talk about the force that moves all markets: liquidity. Crypto doesn't exist in isolations. Global risk assets respond directly to interest rates, monetary policy, and economic liquidity. Decision made by Federal Reserve impacts Bitcoin just as much as they impact stocks, bonds, and real estates. Tight liquidity creates pressure, loose liquidity creates expansion, and the market always reprices based on what it believes is coming next, not what is happening now. This is why sudden downside moves often look frightening, but in the most cases they are just simply forward-looking adjustments. The danger is not volatility, the danger is trading volatility without a plan. At this stage of the market, predictions are not just useless, they are even dangerous. Because most people don't lose money from being wrong, they just lose money because they act too early. What truly matters right now is not hype, not predictions, not timelines. What matters is structure, liquidity, and patience. The market will always reveal its hand, but not on our schedules. It moves when positioning is completed, not when people feel comfortable. Our job is not to predict the next candle. Our job is not to chase the green moves or panic with the red ones. Our job is to stay solvent, stay positioned, and stay disciplined until the next high probability opportunity reveals. If this is just a correction, the patience will be awarded. And if this is just the beginning of something much larger, then discipline will protect capital. And in the both scenarios, there is only one guaranteed enemy, and that is emotions. Emotions turn small drawdowns into permanent losses, emotions make people sell bottoms and chase tops, and emotions is the one thing that market never forgives. So here's the truth. The market doesn't care what we want, it only cares what we believe. It only cares about liquidity, positioning, and time. Whether this is just another correction or the early phase of a larger transition, the correct response is the same. Stay patient, stay disciplined, stay objective. Because in crypto, survival always comes before profits. This is Crypterial, and this is how professional thinks. Leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.